This is Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana, which is just Sanskrit for extended hand to foot pose. So in this pose, you'll root down through your standing leg and feel like you're in Tadasana. Stand up nice and tall. And then pull your lifted leg knee up and grab onto that knee. Then slide your shoulder blades onto your back and push your crown up tall. It's a pretty tough pose. You'll probably need to gaze on the floor in front of you to keep your stability. When we move to the open variation, you can start to slowly open the leg out to the side. Now notice when you do that, your left hip either wants to bump up to get that leg a little higher or go back to let the leg go out a little further. Try your best to keep both hips pointing forward and then just open the leg out until your body says stop, and that's perfect. If it feels good, you might even extend your hand out and look to the side. Now, if that's a pretty easy variation for you, you might want to reach down and grab for the toes, and here's what that looks like. You first pull up through the knee and get solid there, then grab onto your toes. We want to keep our shoulders integrated on our back like Tadasana, so slide the shoulders back and stand up tall. Then maybe extend the leg. The same thing goes here when you open it out to the side. Watch that left hip. Keep both hip points shining forward. Just open up to your flexibility. Now, this might mean that the knee is bent as it goes out to the side, and that's totally fine. Enjoy.